Hey guys, welcome back to Baking with Becca. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate cupcakes with chocolate buttercream frosting. The measurements are listed below, or you can check out my blog bakingwithbecca.co.uk and see all of my recipes. To make the cupcake batter, you're going to combine all of the ingredients into a bowl. Make sure you sieve the sugar, flour and cocoa powder when you add it. Remember to save the grated chocolate until you've already mixed the other ingredients together. This way it's just going to stop it from melting in the batter or being too clumpy before it's combined properly. Once you've got all of your ingredients in the bowl, you can whisk with an electric whisk. You can do this by hand if you need to, but it will take longer. Make sure that you bring down the sides and scoop up the bottom of the bowl to ensure that there isn't any flour or cocoa powder that hasn't been mixed in. Next, add in the grated chocolate. Fill your cupcake cases to about 2/3 full. To level out the batter that you've put in the cupcake cases, you can give your tray a shake or a tap on the counter. Bake them for 25 minutes at 160 degrees. To make the buttercream frosting, first you need to beat the butter on its own for around 10 minutes. The butter should get a lot creamier, fluffier and whiter. Next, you need to add the icing sugar. You can do this in 2 or 3 parts, and make sure that you sieve the sugar before you add it to the butter. Whisk each addition of icing sugar for up to 5 minutes. You can start to add the cocoa powder and sieve this in with your second batch of icing sugar, or third as well if you're doing 3. Make sure that you continue to whisk well between each addition of icing sugar and cocoa powder. Once you've added all of the cocoa powder and icing sugar, it's going to be really thick and possibly quite crumbly. So you need to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Whisk this in and you'll have a smooth consistency which you can transfer to a piping bag ready to put on top of your cupcakes. To pipe the roses onto your cupcakes, you'll need either a closed or open star nozzle. Roses are really easy to pipe. Start in the middle of your cupcake and swirl around in a circle, slowly getting bigger until you've covered the whole cake. It's best to keep your piping bag straight while you're doing this and not do it at an angle. Once you get to the end of the rose, you can just release the pressure and trail off slowly with the piping bag. Let me know if you enjoyed this video in the comments below. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons. I hope you love this recipe and make sure you turn on your notifications so you can see when I post my next video. Thanks for watching.